Hi folks, today I want to teach you a very simple way to help beginners learn how to change chords quickly. There's a common misconception that when you strum, you have to strum all the way to the end of the bar, hit every single note, change chords quickly, and then strum again without missing a beat. I would like to teach everyone about something people call the open stroke. That basically means you're strumming without pressing anything, like so. What this means is every time you need to change chords, throw in a few open strokes. Don't worry, it won't sound weird as long as you don't miss a single downstroke for the next chord. By incorporating open strokes into your chord changes, you can flow seamlessly between chords.